Join us this week for a trip to the Galveston Railroad Museum in Galveston, Texas.
Looks like it's got a sign that uses separate entrance on 25th Street. It's right here by the cruise terminal. See the Carnival cruise. I know. Here we are, the Railroad Museum. Ooh.
They're ready to ride the train.
Ooh. Is that Weston and Aubrey? Oh.
It says these full-size figures were made with plaster molds of real persons and depict individuals who might have passed through the waiting room in 1932.
Look, there's Carter. Cool. That's where you get the tickets.
Were people
Outbound
shorter?
ticket windows.
Is everybody short?
They're more like us, yeah.
Who's got like little heels on?
I don't know. I don't know if we're supposed to go back there.
Do we look like the same size?
About. I think you might be a little bit taller.
That's what I said. Look how tall I look. I think that's what made me look. I've never felt so tall before.
87 years of passenger service.
Some train stuff. Look at all the trains out here.
That was at the Airbnb.
Oh yeah.
I feel like that would be kind of fun.
Do all 100 things, yeah. Here's the start of the museum. Got our 5 tickets for about 54 bucks, so not bad. Everybody's got hats. Self-guided, she said there's an app too you can download if you want to hear about certain history. All aboard! Alright. Look at this thing. This is not even a train, this is like a tractor.
Is it a tractor?
It looks like it. Like it doesn't have any train wheels. Whoa. This thing would be crazy to control. It's got all kinds of valves.
How are you going to control this?
Look at this big pressure gauge there for the steam engine. That's cool.
Oh my god, this is cool.
Just go on the, yeah, that's how you can go in all the cars. I think you just go around and you go inside everything. Check it out.
I did not look at what we were
I didn't look into it at all, but yeah, the lady at the front desk explained like you can get this app. We're not gonna do the app, but you can get an app.
Go ahead.
And as you go into like each exhibit
That,
or
like,
car,
read
it can like it has like a voice thing to let you know info. All right, we're heading into a train car here.
Look, there's not too big for here. That little desk area. How do you get out of here?
We're not trapped. Come on, Carter.
How do we get out of here?
Okay. The rules say walking seats.
Are we gonna try?
We're not gonna try. This is just looking
This is just
around.
yeah. We're just gonna look at some stuff.
I want to show some more statues. Wait,
So this is where you punch your ticket to ride the all-new steel passenger cars.
Wow.
Yeah, a stamp there.
Can I try?
Here, take your ticket. Stamp it.
Is this it?
Yeah.
Where did
Are
I
you
put it?
really supposed to look? Oh, that's cool. A real old
This is the real old stamp,
Oh,
yeah.
that's fun. I don't think
I don't think it has a yeah
gotta
thing.
put ink on
Yeah,
it.
that's cool though.
This is cool.
Yeah.
I want TV.
They don't have Lanky Box on the TV. I'm sorry, baby. Watch your leg here. Sticking out a little bit.
I don't know I can break
Go
it.
this way.
No. It's a museum, yeah. So unless it says like touch, you're generally not supposed to touch stuff at the museum. So if it says, yeah, like please stamp me and it's open, then I would say go for it. But otherwise, let's just not touch them.
These old locks.
Look at all these clips and trains.
I know.
My mom, I feel like, just
Yeah, it's like
but not of trains.
we had similar stuff in the house. Oh. There's an old control board. There's a bunch of switches. Is that a bike? So you could like ride it on the train tracks. Whoa. That's some stuff to work on the tracks. Some tools.
See right here? It says, whoop, be the engineer.
Okay.
Can I be the engineer?
Yeah, after code. Another train car. We'll have to check that one out next.
There's Smile. Cheesy. I don't know if you can go in that train car down.
I think we can go in that one like an actual like yeah.
I kind of like how it's just a
It's just like free for all. Yeah, just
floor.
well, this is a real train car. This is like a real passenger train.
You can just run too.
What? Yeah, you have lunch.
Yeah, and
You
you
want
can
to eat?
walk
Like a dining car.
Wow.
Wait, Carter.
That's my shit. Oh, back here.
You want to sit?
Yeah.
Bring lunch. Sorry.
Is this a move? Hey, please, Josh.
Once was a moving train. What?
Dear Carter said, hey, please, sir, give me a cheeseburger.
Please, Carrie,
Alright, cover that up.
Careful.
That looks like a
Go
washing
in there.
machine.
Oh, it could be a washing machine. Dining cars. So many trains. That one's getting a little crowded. A lot of people are coming in
I
there.
don't know where all the people came from. I
Out
didn't see
there,
anybody.
yeah. They're in the trains. Look how long these things go. It's like a full-on train. Alright. Let's go.
Watch your step.
Just kidding.
Emergency exit.
Emergency exit.
Or you can pull down the
Okay,
windows.
Carter, don't
Carter, wait for us.
It says you can remove the windows.
Sorry.
There's so many people
There's
It's
kind
a
of
little
bit of an
smell.
aroma in this one.
They smell just kind of old.
Yeah.
airplane.
Oh, musky.
Wait, you gotta sit in your tights.
Okay.
These ones are kind of like
Newer. This looks
Slightly
a little
newer.
more modern.
maybe
Other one
80s.
was super retro.
Okay, we gotta
Okay.
fly.
Yeah,
I
it's
feel
kind
like
of like an
it's
airplane.
exit because
seat
it
in
says
this one,
exit.
yeah.
It does look like an airplane.
It does look very airplane in this one. It smells like the school bus.
Smells like a school bus.
It's not like that.
Yeah.
Okay, careful.
Okay.
It's your regular passenger train. Yeah.
You gotta sit.
Got your overhead luggage. Your seats.
You know that and I don't
Carter's gotta sit and buckle up.
Alright,
Quick,
buckle up, get in.
Get in your seat. Can I sit with you? Is the seat free? Okay, thank you.
These buttons.
Oh, jeez.
Eject. Come on over. Sorry. Alright.
We're flying.
Alright, let's check out some more.
Oh, new seats. New seats. Daddy.
Oh, different seats. New old seats. These ones look 70s.
Daddy, you gotta sit with Corgi.
You're gonna fly.
Oh,
You
yeah.
have to join me, darling.
Get in!
My tray.
I want to do it.
It's a tray. Be careful.
Very careful.
I want to do it. Whoa. We can have lunch here. And you can just play games on your lunch here, right?
Yeah, right. Look, you even got an outlet right there. You can plug in your tablet.
Mama, will you give me some my phone and I can play?
I love you. Not
Well,
right
go
now.
play right now. We're gonna check out some more stuff.
But you're right. It's a total great setup.
All right,
I got a little trick.
trays.
You got everybody? Keep closing it down.
We're coming. Yeah.
Hold on the steps, people.
What is
I don't want to check
this one?
reserved for the entrance. Crew.
That's it. Oh, over here. Purple. You know, get in.
You're gonna sit in the crew table.
The crew table. We gotta sit. Gotta sit everywhere.
Fly, get in your table.
We're in the crew table. The crew's got it pretty legit.
We're not
Yeah, you can't fly.
That's right. Trains really stay on the tracks on the ground. You know?
Yeah, we have no strap.
Yeah, we're not going.
I saw him go over here, so I think you're allowed.
This is the kitchen.
Yeah.
Little kitchen.
It's too
Hot water.
Get your coffee.
Coffee.
Oh, it did spray hot water. Okay.
Did it?
It didn't.
Well, let's try to spray hot water.
Is this the restroom, you think, that doesn't have anything in it? Or do you think that was just like a storage?
I don't know.
Oh, sorry, we're gonna
You have to go on new seats.
New seats.
Let's do okay, let's see.
go this way.
I think we do, yeah. Here's the bathroom you're talking about. Right here.
I'm kind of just looking at it. Is that
Yeah,
weird?
it's not opening. I don't think they want anybody going in there. Or you know what? It slides, I think. No, it still doesn't
It's
open.
locked. Well,
It's
that
still
makes
locked.
sense. I'm just kind of curious.
I want to fly
What kind of
at
setup
this
they're working with?
thing. Yeah, to go to Texas.
We're in Texas already.
No, we're not. I want to wheel a train.
Wanna go some more?
Matt's got like a brain.
Oh, look at this thing, yeah.
That looks cool, like it was fancy on the inside, but it's like aged now.
The old one?
Oh, that's not even.
Oh, this one over here.
This one you can see like
Yeah.
here, it's like beat up now.
Yeah, yeah.
Probably once.
Wait, you
That's
got
cool.
you.
Hold on.
Let's look at it from the outside. All the rust is dripping down,
What's that?
rusting away.
Wait, is there another train?
So we did these ones. I think there might be one more on the other side over there. So I think this is the old station here. This is where you would like wait to get loaded on. So you got the roof over your head so you don't get rained on. This was the Texas Chief. No, Carter, that one's not for us. Someone, yeah, could be sleeping up. I think this one we can't go in. I think that might be where you put the coal. Shovel the coal in there. This one I think we're allowed to go in. This one says marble block for tomb of unknown soldier. It's like that movie we were watching yesterday. What? The mummy. Yep. So this one was made in 1914. This one was in 1914, extra old. Whoa, cool.
It's still clean.
Oh, so that's what it looks like a post office thing. It says the Illinois Central Railway Post Office car. This is where they brought the mail. Put them in these bags and these bins. You see them inside? The ghost passengers. So the ghost passengers.
Ghost passengers?
Yeah.
It's a
Probably the last ones we could go in.
I think so.
Super old.
What's up, guys? Among Us.
Oh,
Sus. These cruise ships are ridiculously big.
They're so big. I've never been so close to
Is that
a
TV?
cruise ship before. I didn't
It's the
realize they
biggest TV like
were so gigantic. Yeah.
Pretty soon,
Cruise
cruise ship video coming. We're doing one.
I
I feel like it sounds like fun, but I'm also slightly uneased about it.
Fuck, we'll just check it out.
I feel like there's gotta be so many people in those pools and stuff. Like,
I don't know.
fun, or are you gonna be like packed like a sardine?
I don't know if everybody's gonna be using the pools. Yeah, let,
how you like it.
yeah, let us know. Yeah,
Should I go? Should I not go?
any cruisers out there?
It looks like there's gonna be like a lot of people.
Did you show the
in there.
camera?
I did, yeah. Giant cruise ship with a giant TV on top.
Thank you for watching. See you next week.